Hi guys, this is also a special chapter. We have this our site plan as we geo referenced in the our previous chapter. Now we will create a frame coordinate frame as like this on map saying coordinate reference system. Here is the somehow the room created by the someone. So let's we delete it now. Select similar and delete it. Now we deleted it and we have to create the new one. So how do we create? Just save our file. This site plan was created in the AutoCAD or a other software. So the system is the different and the software was the difference. Here you can see the scale is showing 1 is to 1, but we want to 1 is to thousands. So the best way, better you select this all from here, okay, then copy it, copy, okay, then open a new drawing sheet in your computer. So I'm opening new sheet here, okay. You can see the new sheet, then automatically the scale is 1 is to 1000, okay. Then paste is here, paste to original coordinates. So file will be here, paste the real locations. Now is the pasting. Yes, drawing has pasted and give to once escape and move your cursor. So you can see this drawing is the visible here, very clear. The last one you can here close it or leave it, no problem. So this is the our drawing here. Now we will make the coordinate reference system. So how I'm telling to you, very easy way. Now save your drawing, okay, where you want to save. I saved my drawing and come in layout here. In layout you can see the our drawings here. Just right click, zoom extend this one, but our drawing is here, you can see. So just click once here, double click on your viewport, okay. But we drawing can't see, something is there wrong. We go and come to back here, and here also command zoom extend. Then you see that our drawing, we can't see, something is there mistake or maybe wrong here. Let me check first, zoom it out, or if you say the control A, then drawing will be on control A here. Here our drawing, okay. Come to in drawing here 3, okay. Then go to in our layout. Layout is opening now. You can see the drawing is the visible, very good. So I think somehow we reduce our viewport as per the our drawing. Yes, I'm here, and somehow is this side, okay. Let's, or maybe make some big like that viewport, okay. Or you can make this side somehow big and downside also somehow big our viewport. I'm bringing up to it is the down, so scale maybe will be set here and take somehow big, okay. So this is the our drawing, escape. Now you come to here, reference system. This is the coordinate reference system. Just you click. Before click, you come here. Our tool place drawing. Our this is the 3 number. Just click once here and right click here. Edit the drawing setting. Okay. Or you come in your model space. You can set from here. Come model space here. Just click, right click. Then edit the drawing style. You see the unit is the meter, scale is the 1 is to 1000 is the same this is no problem here. Just you change the here categories, then come here and WGS 84 datum, here UTM WGS 84 datum, select from here, then select your zone, means available coordinate system here, then come to I am here in the zone 37. You can select your zone, where are you now. Okay, so I selected the zone 37 south. Okay, already I selected here, nothing you have to change, here nothing you have to change, and just say to apply. Okay, then you will see here the geolocations in the panels. Just click or wait. You see the geolocation is appeared here. Then save drawing to again it here. Okay, save it. Okay, then come to our layout. Layout is here. Now you come the reference coordinate reference system here. Then just click once here. Okay, then it's asking select your viewpoint. My viewpoint is here. I'm selecting here. Then it is the appearing like that. Here you can change somehow scale or not. I'm going to change here the 7400. I'm trying to make it the 1000 at 1000, and here I'm selecting every 200 meters, 100 meter, 100 meter. Then it is very short, you can't see, or maybe I've selected 200. Then just say to OK. Then see the drawing has been showing very small, otherwise the coordinate has come and very small, we can't see here. So just we again have to change it. Okay, and here in you just double select it our drawing. Okay, then say to zoom and say to zoom, extend and escape. Then see that our drawing has fitted out. Or another way, you zoom and you say to zoom window. I'm saying my window is only this much, and then select enter. Okay, then you come out from the selected window, then come this side. You can see here drawing, you can see the very easy, and I set it here. Oh, small, then zoom and come this side. It is the fix. Now outside click double. Okay, now we come out from the our viewport. Now start from here. Coordinate reference system, just select once. It's asking to select to our viewport. We selected. Same you see that as per the drawing is appearing here. So I'm just making it the 4500, 4500, and here I'm selecting the 200. Then say to OK. Now you see the very well visible our coordinates here. You can check everything. You see here, you can see everything is appearing the, and the frame is looking very nice. You can check this is the our point here. As you do remember, our geo reference to this one, coordinate is the northing, and you come down, and this is the our easting. 79750 is here, is the center. If you can check that is 400 401 2, 3, 4, 5, every 20-meter tick is, or between those, this is 400 to 600. This is the total length is the 200, and it is the center here. If you come and check the our layout here, coordinate, same you will find here. Check to here, ID, okay, then come here and check here. You can see the coordinate is there 797500 or 9651000. You can go and check in our viewport here. This is the our viewport here. You can see the 9651000, and this place here is the 7974 is this, but 7500 is here. So now this our drawing is geolocated or coordinate reference system exact place. If save now, if you take the printout, then it look very nice. I can show you one print. Here we check the PDF, and here we can display the window. And if the window is like this here, yes, now you see very fine, good looks. You can take print out and submit to your client and consultant. They will appreciate you. Sure, that's me thinking. Okay, so thanks for watching.